I thank the press for coming here today. Ready?
आगे आपका mic?
Now silence please.
Can
Thank
Shefali
you
say
all.
something?
Thank you all for coming here this afternoon. I know we've had a grand opening on the 19th, but my mother, Dr. Trasi, considers Sushmita as her mentor, her good luck charm. So her best wishes was most important to us in this clinic. We all know that Dr. Trasi has been practicing dermatology for the past 30 years. She's been to national, international conferences, been a chairperson, being a moderator for few of them. She's been trained in dermatology, cosmetology, and is also a dermatosurgeon. And so we've decided to start a brand called as La Piel. La Piel in French means the skin. That means this clinic is going to deal with all the problems which are related to the skin, hair, and nails. We have a team of qualified dermatologists who will be taking care of all the patients. We have a number of surgeries happening, number of procedures happening. So along with the routine dermatology, cosmetology cases, we will be also dealing with procedures which includes hair transplantation, vitiligo surgeries, that is white patch surgeries. It is considered to be a stigma in our country. So taking care of those patients is most important to us. Acne scars, acne, which is considered to be a psychological problem in our teenagers. So scar surgeries will be happening, something to do with pigmentation because we hate black pigment on our body anywhere. So something to do with pigmentation, anti-aging. We are very well aware of Botox fillers, but in this new clinic we are going to start something called as a gene-based therapy for anti-aging. It is called as nutrigenomics, where your own genes will be used to make anti-aging tablets, creams. Now Dr. Trasi has tried to bring about the international standards to India and reach out to the people of India. Thank you.
Thank you, Shefali. Wow. Okay. You want to ask? Should I say something? मैं बोलूं? आपको याद होगा अंधेरी में भी some months back we did an opening of Dr. Thrasi's Andheri branch of La Piel, and 10 साल में जब से मैं उनसे पहली दफ़ा मिली और मैं उनसे उस वक्त मिली जब मैं ब्यूटी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए नहीं आ रही थी. आई हैड अ सीरियस स्किन कंडीशन और मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊंगी, इट्स अ सीक्रेट, बट इट वाज अ प्रॉब्लम दैट एज एन एक्टर I needed immediate assistance because वो फैल रहा था and it was a very very acute chronic problem. She's the only doctor I know and I say this with such honesty कि मैं उनके चेम्बर में घुसी हूँ, इधर आओ, अंदर आओ, बैठ जाओ, this is what you have. मतलब छुआ नहीं है, देखा नहीं है, and I'm just like, I've been to 5 doctors and nobody's been able to diagnose it in the first shot. She just looked at it and said, this is what you have. And from that day, me, Renee, Alisa, my mother, every lady I know who comes from any part of the world, they always just come to have at least a cup of tea with Dr. Thrasi because they know that when they walk into her chambers, they will go back feeling like they have been looked after. And if there was something wrong inside their skin, forget on top of it, she'll catch it, just in a meeting. She's a very, very gifted human being, very large-hearted. इन्होंने बहुत लोगों की मदद की है. हमें लगता है कि ये सब ब्यूटी क्लिनिक्स जो होती हैं या स्किन क्लिनिक्स जो होती हैं, दे आर ऑल अ प्लेस जहाँ पे लोग सुंदर होने आते हैं, अपनी एज को हाइड करने आते हैं. बट सही मायनों में हमारी जो पहचान होती है एक आईने में जब हम अपने आप को देखते हैं, छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ जो औरों को नज़र नहीं आए और हमें नज़र आती है, वो हमारे कॉन्फिडेंस पर बहुत सीरियस इफेक्ट करती है. द वे वी परसीव आवरसेल्व्स, द आइडिया ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स. और जब आपके पास एक ऐसा क्लिनिक हो जहाँ पर सबसे बेहतरीन डॉक्टर हो और वो इतना लार्ज हार्टेड हो कि अगर आपके पास पैसे भी नहीं हो तो भी वो आपको मदद करे. दिस इज़ बिन डॉक्टर Thrasi for me, someone who's epic. Today, for this launch, I'm officially so proud that she is now introducing Dr. Shefali, her daughter, who's studied all over the world and Israel as well. I mean, these are unusual places she's chosen to come and study and come back. But she is a recognized dermat herself, and she'll be taking forward the legacy of Dr. Trasi with this brand. I'm very privileged that 19 तारीख को ओपनिंग होने के बावजूद एंड मैं आपको ये भी बताऊं, there's a lovely story to this. मैं गई थी शिमला और चंडीगढ़ में फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई कल, और आज आप लोगों से आके मिलना था. और माँ जब बुलाए तो मतलब there are ways to just make it happen somehow. My flight got cancelled in चंडीगढ़, bad weather. मैं पहले शिमला से चंडीगढ़ आई 4.5 घंटे गाड़ी में बैठ के, फिर वहाँ से कैंसिल होने के बाद 5 घंटे दिल्ली तक गई गाड़ी में बैठ के, फिर लास्ट नाइट आई लैंडेड फ्रॉम अ दिल्ली टू मुंबई फ्लाइट. द रीज़न यू डू दीज थिंग्स इज बिकॉज शी हैज़ दिस एबिलिटी कि वो जब अपना लेती हैं किसी को तो यू जस्ट फील लाइक यू नीड टू बी अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ एवरीथिंग शी डज. तो आप जो भी देख रहे हैं इसे, just as a human being, as someone who is just a legend in her field, you must come and see her, must come and see what she's made of. I'm just so glad we made it, and I'm here, and thank you for being here. Happy Diwali, belated. It's just so amazing to be meeting all of you after a very long time. If you have any questions, please ask. देखा, सब cover किया ना? No questions? Wow.
So Shweta, so what's keeping you busy these days?
पहले तो हम लापीएल की बात करेंगे. Then I'll tell you I'm a very busy person, inside and outside. I've been traveling quite a bit. We've been planning our next sort of lot of endorsements. I'm getting ready to dub Nirbak, which is ready. Pehli dub is going for the showrooms, it's going to the Berlin Film Festival, the Venice Film Festival. Srijit Mukherjee, as you know, goes to all the festivals, so he's taking Nirbak there. Then I finished dubbing for it. It releases in India finally after, I think he wants to go for the competitive one at Cannes, and then we release it in India mid 2015. So that's happening. Still waiting for Gaurang to come back with his script. That's happening. It's a waiting game, and I'm good at it. So we'll just see how that goes along. My children have been keeping me busy because it's been Diwali break, and they are still on a break. I'm back to work. I've just been in a good space. I think I've just been in a happy space where things are happening just as they should, in no big hurry. So that's been keeping me busy. Yeah.
What's your healthy funda, because young generation, teenager girls are just looking a motivational for you. So what do you want to say about your health?
Sorry, सवाल
Health
सुने.
and fitness.
You know, as I believe, so does actually this wonderful family of my doctors here as well, Dr. Trasi and Shefali. What is natural and what is your own, you can't replace it. You can enhance it. आप उसे और खूबसूरत बना सकते हैं, उसकी longevity बढ़ा सकते हैं, लेकिन जो आपको कायनात ने, भगवान ने दिया है, उसको ख्याल रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, because वो जो एक बार चले जाए वो वापस नहीं आ सकता. So health and fitness, most important thing, love yourself. I mean love yourself. Eat right, sleep right, drink a lot of water, और जहाँ पे मौका मिले वेट ट्रेनिंग की जगह योगा कीजिए. And I say that to everyone because जो हेल्थ आपके अंदर से आती है वो आप बाहर को कितना भी तराश लीजिए, that health is important. And as you start getting older, you realize that people will look at your lines and they'll say, "Arey, age is showing, yeah, skin is looking bad, yeah, today, you know, it's looking." But if you are happy inside, if you are healthy inside, even at 50, you will beam health. And then it's okay for lines to show up. This is an experience nobody's going to survive. We're all go through it, but you go through it happy. So health and fitness, most important. Don't spend money, spend time on it. Because the idea today is everybody thinks, ye wala gym, utta bada, you know, this trainer, that this. Spend time on it. Understand your body is different, your DNA is different. And then choose your doctors carefully. Because you've got to connect with someone who says, देखो, I can do 50 things on you. That's not a problem. लेकिन इससे आपको खुशी नहीं मिलेगी, इससे आपको longevity नहीं मिलेगी. ये अभी दरकार है, करवा लीजिए. I have to tell you this incident. in the Linking Road clinic, where I used to go. I'm a regular there. I used to find all these new brides to be. सब लाइन में लगे हुए हैं and they've all come there. Everyone's getting 20 different treatments done because they're getting married. That's the only time I see Dr. Trasi saying, yes, you can do all 50 things. You can also do all 50 things because it is that one moment in your life where you want everything to be perfect.
And that is the day when world sees you.
Exactly. That's the only time. So I always go to her chamber and मैंने बोला आपको उस दिन, आपने तो मुझे मना कर दिया. So she says, शादी हो रही है? नहीं हो रही है. So फिर जब होगी, I will get all 50 done for you too. So yeah, I've had some very special moments with her, and I also want to mention her entire family. Her husband, who's my boyfriend. I always call him my
Easy, you call
boyfriend.
him.
Yeah,
Suresh,
my-
come.
Yes. Their boyfriend. Come on. He's always behind like that. He never shows himself, and he's. Whenever Dr. Trasi is not there, he's the one in charge. He's just always making sure nothing ever goes wrong with me. It's too cute. Her entire staff, एक अच्छे इंसान की पहचान जो लोग उनके साथ काम करते हैं उनसे होती है. Her entire staff is just as dedicated, as focused as she is, and again very large-hearted. I feel really, really excited because this was her dream and I can't believe we're sitting here. She had all these plans and every time she told me I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And I want Shefali to be heading this. Today sitting here and seeing it actualize feels very, very good.
सुष्मिता, जैसे आपने कहा कि नॉर्मली लोग जिम में जाते हैं,
Yeah.
ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं, बड़े बड़े ट्रेनर्स होते हैं, लाखों रुपए खर्च करते हैं. सो बॉलीवुड में तो एक फैशन हो गया है, आप इस इंडस्ट्री से बिलोंग करती
जी.
हैं.
अरे उससे भी आगे बात ये है कि मैं खुद एक स्टूडियो खोलने जा रही हूँ. but देखिए, मैं I don't believe in hypocrisy. जो सच है वो सच है. There is something that like the studio I'm opening, Inhale, जहाँ पर हम आपसे दोबारा मिलेंगे. The idea there is not to make money. You know, your sessions, एक साल का membership, 6 महीने का, ये सब नहीं है वहाँ पे. आप आओ, आपके पास जो है उससे एक्सपीरियंस करके जाओ. नहीं है, बीच पे आओ संडेज को, 200 लोग साथ में वर्कआउट करेंगे. You know, so that is the concept. It is to say कि सांस लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और हम लोग इतने caught up हो जाते हैं, मेरी इंडस्ट्री नहीं, सारे हम लोग बहुत वेन हो गए हैं. We have to be perfect all the time. We live in an era where beauty magazines and the idea of beautiful is कि हर कोई होना चाहता है. मगर भूल जाते हैं कि beauty is what beauty does, love. Ultimately, you know, otherwise there's no dearth. You see, look around you, there's someone so much more beautiful than you, so much more elegant than you. There is no, you know, it's all relative. But ultimately, it is about who you are inside. So, yes, I will be opening Inhale shortly. And Inhale, as you know, is सांस लेना. और जब तक हम सांस लेते हैं, हम जिंदा हैं.
ब्यूटी पेजेंट के बाद अब हेल्थ भी एक बिजनेस ही है अगर देखा जाए. सोशल, तो आप बता रही हैं कि आप किस तरह से इसे सोशली इसमें इन्वॉल्व होंगी, बट हेल्थ को अगर बिजनेस मतलब एक और नया बिजनेस की तरफ आप रुख कर रही हैं.
देखिए, मुझे लगता है मैं 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 not bad. मैं हिंदी में गिन रही हूँ. I think from when I was 28 or 29 years old, I've always been a businesswoman. I think it's only that I'm very bad at it when it comes to movies. I don't understand how to translate that into a business. To me, that's a creative art. I enjoy doing it. I make a lot of mistakes. And then, you know, they say, okay, so she did a mehuna. Wow, now she's got it. And then you're doing a chingari. So, you know, I've always done things on a level. But when it comes to the corporate world, creating brands, ये I feel like I was born to do. क्योंकि मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा मोहब्बत लोगों से है. I feel that if there is a way for me to connect with them, I'll always find a way to do it. And if that can be monetized into a business, great. If it can't be monetized, it's something, it's like this. All my brands are I am because I constantly want people to feel, when I put an I am here, I'm not saying, अच्छा मैंने सुश को copy किया. They're going to say, I am is me. This is my personal statement. So my dream is to be a brand, to create brands where people forget that Sushmita Sen had anything to do with it. They just say, हाँ किसने, this is my brand. I use this. I trust this brand. And I'm hoping with the Inhale, that will become a way of life. And instead of getting people addicted to machinery, treadmill chahiye, high altitude machine chahiye, ye chahiye, wo chahiye, which is the fad right now, I want them to say, I have my body and that's enough. If I can lift my own body weight, my workout is done. If I can breathe right, my workout is
सुष्मिता,
done.
so हम कभी आपको फिल्म बिजनेस में नहीं देखेंगे, never turn
You
your
have
phone
you
down.
said
Ma'am, center look. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
तो मैं actually सवाल सुन रही थी. हाँ.
So film business.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है कि फिल्म बिजनेस में नहीं देखेंगे. I just feel like अभी फिलहाल I'm still a more creative bent of mind. I'm not a producer in my head. I'm still an actor. And the day that happens, I'm sure that the creative side of me will take a back seat. I don't think that I'm ready for that yet. क्योंकि मैं बहुत किस्मत वाली हूँ, मैं आपको बताऊँ. मैंने अपने करियर में कभी भी इतनी सारी हिट्स या इतने सारे ओवर द टॉप एक्सपेक्टेशंस के साथ फिल्म्स नहीं डिलीवर करने के बावजूद मुझे इतनी मोहब्बत मिली है लोगों से और इतना इंतज़ार किया है सबने कि आई कम बैक इनटू अनदर फिल्म दैट आई जस्ट कॉन्स्टेंटली फील लाइक आई गॉट टू डिलीवर दैट. I got to say that's the Sush I wanted to see, and then I'm kind of done because I've never thought of myself as an actor for the rest of my life. That's not me, but I want to give them that before it's done.